Data on our smartphone these days is way more crucial than what we used to save in our computer, and it is easily losable too. It can be as easy as you dropping your phone, a software brick, and even theft. But I recently came across a better solution that provides a complete data management solution for iOS devices like data recovery, backup and transfer, erase, and more. And it's called Dr. Phone. This software can be used to restore data on both iOS or Android and can be installed on both Mac and Windows. You can find the links in the description. After setup, you can now connect your iPhone, and as soon as you connect it, you can select what you want to back up. For example, your messages, contacts, photos, and even app data like WhatsApp and Viber conversations, attachments, etc. A nifty addition here is you can also recover from your iTunes backup file and from your iCloud backups. I really like the fact that this app also supports iTunes backup file, so you don't have to necessarily use iTunes for recovery. You can also use Dr. Phone to transfer data from your phone to your computer. I personally find it more easier compared to iTunes, as we have more options with Dr. Phone. Additionally, you can also switch or transfer data from one phone to another, which comes in really handy while setting up or swapping your phone. Like mentioned earlier, you can back up and restore your data like device data, social app data, and even repair your iOS if it's stuck at Apple logo boot, recovery mode, or blank screen. So all in all, you get a complete device management solution here. Other handy tool includes clearing your phone completely if you're selling or handing your phone to someone else. You can even unlock your phone if you've forgotten the passcode, but make sure your phone has at least 50% battery before using this unlock tool. But do keep in mind to use these tools very carefully, as it may erase your phone completely, so make sure you use the backup tool first. All in all, this software is a great way to back up and restore your data on your iPhone, and it's always a safe move to have your data backed up just in case. So that was it for this video, guys. Links are in the description, so do check it out. Don't forget to subscribe, and as always, thanks for watching. This is Saman signing off.